welcome to Abar Channel. Hari ini gua mau kasih tunjuk kamu. I want to show you how to make a very easy and very simple pizza base. This is a pizza base. It's very easy and very simple. This pizza base, guys, you can keep in the chiller like 1 week, and you can keep in the freezer like for 3 months. So very easy. If you want, if you need, you can you just take it out from the chiller or from your freezer. Okay, we go. Prepare 1 kg all-purpose flour, 10 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons sugar, 8 grams dry yeast, warm water 600 milliliters, 2 tablespoons salt, mix the yeast in the warm water and sugar, put together. All until dilute all. Then after that, let them rise. It's like 10 minutes. Mix all-purpose flour, olive oil, and the mixture of warm water and yeast. Mix together in the mixing bowl. Then bring to the mixture and process. In the middle of the process, put salt, and then continue to process. Then we check if already soft. Then we portion 300 grams each dough. Then make it a round ball. Then keep until 2 hours and cover with cling film. After 2 hours, it's getting rice already. Then we can roll it. Roll like this, then put in the tray, on the tray. Let them rise until 1 hour, then ready to bake. Before bake, you have to put mark on with the fork to avoid the bloating. Before bake, guys, we need to put the tomato sauce on the top of the dough. Put like this on the top. Preheat the oven 180 degrees. After hot, put inside the dough, the pizza dough. Then start to bake like 8 minutes, 180 degrees Celsius. After 8 minutes, our pizza is ready, guys. Let's take it out from the oven. Then let them cold outside. After cool, you can put in the chiller or freezer. In the freezer, you can keep until 3 months, and anytime you need, you can take it out, and then you can put any topping, vegetable, meat, chicken, anything. And very nice, very fluffy and very crispy. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, likes and comments below. Masalama.